Hi, today on pages 33 to 35, our goal is I can convert between scientific notation and standard notation. So it says fill in the following sentences with the correct word. Scientific notation is a shorthand way of writing really large numbers or really small numbers. So when you have big numbers like the sun is 93 million miles away, or the size of an atom, which is itty bitty tiny, when you have those things, scientific notation are perfect. Scientific notation is written as a product of two numbers. The first number must be between 1 and 10. Oops. And then the second number must be a power of 10. And that's because we we're a base 10 system. Like every 10 you carry to the next one. So that's why it's to a power of 10. If you're going to convert standard notation to scientific notation, step one, you want to create a number between 1 and 10 by moving the decimal. 2, it says count the number of times that you move the decimal. This number will be your power of 10. If your number is greater than 1, your exponent will be positive. And if it is less than 1, it will be negative. If it were a decimal, you will have a negative exponent. Okay, let's practice. Step 1, put the following numbers in scientific notation. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to make this a number between 1 and 10, which means you're going to be right here. The decimal is right here right now. So you're going to move it until you get to 1.234. And then you don't need those zeros. And it's going to be times 10. And then to figure out what that base is going to, or what the exponent's going to be, how many places did you have to move the decimal? Here's 3, here's 6. So you move the decimal 6 places. Remember, I used shift 6 to get that caret. You can also, I think, you can go to text here and you can go to superscript if you want to not have the caret. I'll do that on the next one. Okay, so here, making your number between 1 and 10, that means it'll be 3.4 times 10. It will always be times 10. And then how many places did you move the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. And so you moved it 4 places. Looks like you can also hit Control plus a period, and that'll do it. So moved it 4 places, so my exponent is 4. Now on this one, it's going to be the same concept, but this time we're going backwards. So to make this a number between 1 and 10, it would be 3.74 times 10, because it will always be times 10. How many places did I have to move the decimal this time? 1, 2, 3, 4. But the number was smaller than 1 to begin with. So I need to make it a negative exponent. So again, if you want to do it this way, format, text, superscript, -4. I don't care if you have the caret or if you do it like this. Either way is fine with me. Okay, let's try another one. This one, move it. And then I want you to try this one on your own and see what you get. It will be very similar to how we did number 3. Okay, down here it says approximately 2,094,800 people took a vacation to a state park this year. 25 years ago, 158,975 people vacationed to state parks. Approximately how many more people visited the park than 25 years ago? Write your answer in scientific notation. Well, it says how many more, so that is going to be a subtraction problem. So when I grab my calculator here, 2094800 minus 158975, I get 1,935,825. I want that all to be on the same line. However, this time it says write your answer in scientific notation. So if you put this, you would have the wrong answer, even though you did the math correctly. Now we need to take it and change it to scientific notation. So it'll be 1.935825 times 10 to the, we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to make that happen. So that would be your answer. Okay, number 2, I want you to try this one on your own. In the United States in 1980, approximately 60 million families had TVs in their home. 2015, almost 100 million families had TVs in their home. Approximately how many more TVs were there in 2015? Write your answer in scientific notation. So you're going to do this the same way. You're going to subtract, and then you can write your answer in scientific notation. Tune in next time for the next one, as we now will take numbers that were in scientific notation and change them back to standard. So find video 2.